Day 35 could not have been more diverse if it tried. Welcome to Huppatz Hut. It's a beautiful little hut right at the bottom of one of the ranges here, the other side of World's End Conservation Park. It's a godsend. You can probably hear things are a little bit windy outside. I'm biding my time as best I can because, it's pretty fierce out there at the moment. Day 35 was anything but, however. The terrain was extraordinarily diverse, but the weather was calm, warm, perfect walking weather. So the day started out at the World's End hiking campsite, and I walked through along Burra Gorge and then onto a highway and then onto a road and then onto a dirt track and then down into some creek beds, and then I just made it out of the World's End Conservation Park and marched up this big hill to this beautiful view, and I met this lovely young couple, Ben and Edwina, who were sitting in the back of their ute admiring the view, similarly to me. And classic South Australia, it turns out Ben went to the same school as I did, back in the Barossa Valley. Only in South Australia can you be out in the middle of nowhere and bump into someone you went to school with. It's crazy. So turns out we had a bunch of mutual friends, and completely random, but completely Adelaide. And they offered, and I gleefully took a piece of banana cake, which was much needed after yesterday, and that has more than earned them trail angel status. So thank you very much to Ben and Edwina for popping up for a conversation and a bit of cake yesterday. That was a very nice surprise. And so from there I kept on walking until I made it to another range. It turns out on many days during this trail I have to walk up a dirty great big hill to finish, but this one was worth it. The sun was setting and it was almost like a painting. It was that pristine. The colours were unimaginable. And while the legs weren't particularly happy, the eyes were ecstatic. And then I made it down here to Huppatz Hut, and here I sit, hoping that this wind is going to die down and I can start day 36 because it's getting pretty late and I need to get moving. Just as I've said that, the doesn't look as fierce, so better get on my bike. I'll chat to you before I start day 37.